Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is IDMT 2.2 second characteristic, flux setting multiplier, time multiplier setting. One example, the time level settings are selected so that all relays operate in 2.2 second at 20 times the tap setting. It is important to note down the scale is given on time multiplier setting, that is 1. So this scale is basically for flux setting multiplier and time in settings. Please note down, this scale is between flux setting multiplier and time in seconds. This scale is log scale for IDMT relay. The ordinate of this curve is operating time, and the abscissa is the multiple of pickup values of the actuating quantity, so that the same curve can be used for any value of pickup. In induction relay, the pickup adjustment is by coil because the ampere turns at pickup are same for every tap setting. Therefore, at a given multiple of pickup, the coil ampere turns, hence the torques are same regardless of the tap setting used. Further, it is important to notice here that the time multiplier setting is 1 for this curve. Flux setting multiplier, usually known as PSM. It is nothing but the ratio of secondary current to relay current setting. So the secondary current is primary current or fault current divided by the CT ratio. Here we can see the small part of actual relay, and we can see the relay current setting. You can notice that there are many settings provided with this relay. Flux setting multiplier or PSM is the ratio between the actual fault current in the relay operating coil to pickup current or the relay current setting. It indicates the severity of the fault. The flux setting multiplier is used only in electromagnetic relays, not in numerical relay. Time multiplier setting, TMS. The time setting multiplier is nothing but an adjusting or speeds up the tripping mechanism of the relay. It is adjusted by the dial. The dial is nothing but a rotating disc which rotates when the fault current in the relay coil reaches the pickup current. This is dial. This is standard characteristic of this relay. This is current setting. So here you can also see the dial. Sliding ring, magnet for damping. Let us determine the time of operation of a relay for rating 5 ampere, 2.2 second IDMT, and having a relay setting of 125% with TMS zero point 0.8. It is connected to a supply circuit through a current transformer with ratio 400 by 5 The fault current is 4000 ampere. The pickup value of the relay is 5 ampere. But you can notice the relay setting is 125%. Therefore, the actual operating current of the relay is 125% of the current setting, that is 6.25 ampere. So in this diagram you can see the relay current setting can be changed manually, and it is as per the requirement of the system. So in that example we have relay setting 6.25 ampere. Now for this value, the plug setting multiplier of the relay is 8. And from the standard 2.2 second curve, the operating time for PSM 8 is 3.2 second. You can see the curve for PSM 8 and corresponding time is 3.2 second. Please note down this value is for time multiplier setting 1. Now we require to determine the time of operation for time multiplier setting, that is 0.8. So the time is zero point 0.8 times of the 3.2 second, and that is 2.56 second. Now my question is, what do you think about universal torque equation? Just think on this question and try yourself. Thank you.